Rule 2 of the money management algorithms is the closed equity curve of the ADX. And so we're looking at the strength of the trend, not the direction, but the strength of the trend. So you might want to combine this with another rule. It's one of the rules that we just look at to determine the strength of the trend. And if you have a pretty strong equity curve, you can use this pretty consistent equity curve. You can use this by itself. But here's how it works. The ADX is just a trend indicator. For example, and by default, we look at the last 14 trades, closed trade equity curve, and the threshold is 25. So if the ADX of the last 14 trades is above 25, then we take the trades. If it's below it, we don't take the trades. And so 14 and 25 are customizable inputs in this strategy. And so you can see, for example, the original equity curve is over here on the left, the black box, and the ADX is at the bottom. And when it crosses below that 25, you see this blue line right here represents the time period for which it will not trade. And so over here, once again, the ADX crosses below 25 threshold, and so it doesn't trade during this time period. And so the goal is to miss steeper drawdowns and then to get back in when the equity curve is strong. And so sometimes you may miss a little bit of the uptrend. And so, for example, this is what it would look like if the money management algorithm is over here looking at this equity curve and it's saying, okay, I'm only going to trade when the ADX of the last 14 bars is above 25, then I'm going to catch this part right here, and I'm not going to trade during this time period, and then I'm going to catch this part right here, which pulls back a little bit, and then I'm not trading during this time period right here, I'm not trading, and then I get back in when it's strong again. And so this is when you get back in and try to catch that move up after sitting out these two periods. So this is the theoretical idea behind the ADX of the closed trade equity curve and how you can apply it to any strategy that you have.